Hi everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your app to Play Store. So, before you start publishing, here I have compiled a list of few requirements that you need to fulfill before publishing your app. So, let me open that document. And here, first of all, uh, you need a signed app bundle. So you can find a video to create a signed app bundle in the description below. And you need a app logo having size of 512 by 512 pixel and a featured image of size 1024 times 512 pixel and short description of app which is less than 80 characters and long description which is less than 4000 characters. So make sure that you have these, and along with that you need app screenshots as well. So we'll explore more things that we need in the process. Okay, so now let's start by logging into our Play Console account. So here I'm in the home of my Play Console account. Now you can simply start creating app by clicking on this create app button. So I have pinned few apps, so this section is little bit down. So click on create app, and here you have to provide your app name. For now I'm going to go or use all-in-one calculator app. Now you have to choose the language. For now we are going with default English, United States, and you have to select it is app or game. It is an app, and now you have to choose either it is free or paid. So you can change this option after publishing your app, so make sure that you choose the correct one according to your app. And now check on these boxes to uh, confirm app meets the developer program policies and you accept US export laws. Now click on create app. So after providing some basic information we have to do a couple of things, so let's explore those one by one. So if you scroll down you can see the option for setting up your app and releasing your app. Okay, so let's complete the setup stuffs. So first of all, we have to set a privacy policy. Like you can complete these tasks in any order, but we are going from top to down. So you can simply upload a privacy policy URL from your website, or if you don't have a website, there are several privacy policy generator. You can create a privacy policy there and provide the link here. Okay, they also offer the hosting of that particular privacy policy page. Okay, so if you don't know such websites, then there is a website named flycricket.io. You can explore that. For now I'm going to provide a privacy policy of my company. So let me simply copy this and paste it here. Now we have to uh, provide app access details. Okay, so for now this is a simple calculator app and it doesn't need anything extra. So all functionality in my app is available without any access restriction. So you have login sign up feature in your app, then you have to provide details like username and password, two-step verification detail, and location based access. Okay, so click on all functionality in my app is available without any access restriction and go back. Now you have to choose either your app have ads or not. So currently there are no ads, so you I can go with no, my app doesn't contain ads. Now we have to uh, show the content rating in the Play Store homepage. So we have to answer some questions, and it will provide or it will generate a content rating according to our answer. So for now we have to enter our email address to receive that uh, rating at the end. So I'll go with my email, and now here you have to choose all other types of app. Is my app doesn't fulfill the criteria of these two options. Now click on this terms and condition accept button and read all of the questions here carefully and provide the accurate answer. Okay, so this is no. So after completing all these, click on save button and now click on next, and here you can see the summary. Now click on save, and now you are done. Go back, and now you have to choose a target audience. So let's choose it from 13 to over. Okay, so if you choose below these age groups, then you have to comply with some children's policy. So it's better as the calculator will not be used by this primarily. So they can use, but to avoid some potential risks, I'm going with 13 to over. Okay, click on save. So I have to come here again after completing other details, and we have to say it is a news app or not. So it is no. Now you have to provide our data safety details. Okay, so if your app collects the data, then you have to say how these data are collected and how they are stored, and you provide an option to delete those data or not, something. Okay, so for now we are not collecting any of the required data types, so make sure that you read all these policies carefully. Okay, otherwise your app will be rejected. If not this time, then it will definitely rejected in future reviews if it doesn't comply with play console policies. Okay, so we don't use any sort of data. So I'm going with no, but if you select as, then you will be popped up with lots of questions, so I will cover some of those. Okay, so here you have to tell is all of the user data collected by your app encrypted in transit. So while so you have to tell provide the information that when uh, somebody enter their personal details in your app, then while the communication between your app and the backend server happens, then they are asking either the data is encrypted or not between during that communication period. So it is s, so you can go with s. So it is not always s, but if it is a https, then everything will be always encrypted. So let's go with the usual things. Okay, and you can explore all of these, like what sort of authentication. Okay, so I'm going with no. Let me change this option to no, and I'll click on next. Next. So it is completed. So make sure that you explore more on this data safety. Okay, it is more important, and I will provide some resources about the data safety in the description. Be sure to check that out. And here now you have to choose either it is a government app or not, and you have to provide either your app contains any financial feature or not. So you can simply go with my app doesn't provide any financial features. Okay, uncheck on this, and so we haven't saved. Okay, let's save this. Now we have to check, or we have to provide either it is a health app or not. So it doesn't contain any health features. Now we have to choose how our app is organized and presented. So we have to start by selecting our app category. So let's select a category. Okay, I can't select the category. Okay, we have to click on this edit button here. Okay, and here we have to select tool or utility. Okay, as it is a calculator. So you have to choose according to your app, and now you have to provide a store listing contact details that will be displayed in the your app page in the Play Store. Okay, and here you have to provide phone number if you have any, and website if you have any. Okay, and this section is also completed. Now we have to add the store listing details. Okay, so now click on create default store listing, and here we have to provide the details that we have compiled previously. Okay, for example, short description. So let's go here, copy that short description and paste it here, and make sure that the content you have mentioned here is in your app. Okay, otherwise the app will be rejected. Last time I have uploaded an app by the description created from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT have created some um, stuffs that is not available in my app, and as I was hurry at that time, I haven't read all the description, and I end up uh, seeing a rejection message. Okay, so make sure that you read everything clearly. Okay, I guess I don't have any error here. And now here you have to provide the graphics. So we have to start with the app icon. So let's upload the app icon. So here we have our app icon, and after this we have to upload a feature graphic. So here it is, and okay, feature graphics must be 1024 by 500 pixel, and okay, let's check its dimension. Okay, I guess we have to resize that image. Okay, so let me check the dimension of it first. It is 1012 by 512 pixel. Okay, but our need is 1024 by 500. Okay, we can go with any online image resizer. Okay, simply go to Google and search for image resizer. Let's upload our image here. Okay, we have to resize to 1024 by 500. Okay, let's uncheck on this. 1024 by. Okay, now click on resize image. So we can simply upload this. Now scroll down, and if you have any promo video, then you can provide the YouTube video URL here. And now here you have to upload your screenshots of your phone, sorry, your app. So if you haven't created your screenshot yet, then you can find a link in description to create screenshots like this using Fly Cricket. So let me select these all and click on open, and let's add same screenshots for tablet. So simply select this, click on open, and you can upload same for the last one as well, that is 10-inch tablet. Okay, now you can click on save. So now let's go to the dashboard and let's see what we have created. Okay, okay, we have to create a new release and publish. Okay, so first of all, let's select countries and region where we are going to publish. Okay, so click on add countries, and you can check on this to release in all the countries. Okay, click on save, and now click on create a new release, and here you can sign in or option in for the sign in key provided by Google Play Console. Okay, so now click on choose sign in key and use Google generated key. Okay, so it will take some time. So app sign in key is generated. Now we can upload our app bundle. Click on upload, and let's upload the app bundle. So here we have issue. You need to use a different package name because com.example is restricted. This is the default package name provided to the Android apps. So make sure that you change it to your own domain name or anything random if you don't have in domain name. Something like com.neptecpol.calculator app. So I have change the package name, and now let's upload it again. I guess it will work now, and let me cancel this one. Now you have to provide the release details like release name. So I can go with first release, and you can provide the release notes mentioning what's new in this release. Okay, so simple calculator, part mode support. So I don't have anything to write, so I am writing this rubbish. Okay, now after this you have to click on next, and it will show you some warnings and error if you have any, and you can simply ignore this and click on save. Okay, now our changes are saved, and we can send this for review from the publishing overview. So here we have one issue. Click on view issue. So we found some common issues that are preventing your app from being sent for review. You must address this issue before you can send. Incomplete advertising ID declaration. Okay, so let's complete this declaration first. So our app doesn't contain ads, so we are not using advertising ID. Okay, so you can roll out. Does your app use advertising ID? No. So now click on save. Now let's go again in the publishing overview, and now it is showing the contents or changes that we have made. Okay, so we can simply click on this send 14 changes for review. Click on send changes for review, and then our app is sent for review. And if you go to all apps section, now you can find this all-in-one calculator app, and still it is showing in draft. Okay, now it is in review. Okay, so it will take few days to review the app, and as soon as your app pass the review process, it will be available on Google Play Store on this link. Okay, so you can, for now it is not available. Once it is approved, it will be available on this app. So now we have successfully published our mobile app in Play Store. So if you have any doubts or problems while following the steps shown here in this video, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.